web app for barcode generator. Now the barcode generator has been created on Google script, but we see okay, the Google script is not provide the provision for progressive web app, right? So it cannot be installable. So what we are planning to make a Google progressive web app on a Google script, and then I will embed this in an iframe and make a progressive web app. So that is the plan. And see, what I'm telling is the progressive web app is not available on Google script, right? So for the time being, we will use an alternate option to make a progressive web app, and for that we will make a progressive web app on Google script, and then I will embed this in the and iframe that iframe will contain a progressive web app. So that is the plan, and now I will tell you how to do this. So this is my URL. When you copy it and paste it here, you will see a single barcode, but it is not providing the progressive web app. It is not installable, so we cannot install it. So that is the problem. But if you want it, we will made I will tell you one more thing. We have opened a ISS Internet Information System, ISS. In my previous video I will tell you, I told you that how to activate this, but in a current video I will tell you one more thing. You just type the control panel. You have to go for the control panel. You have to go to control panel, then go to programs and features, go to turn and features on or off, and this, and just select the internet information service. Just select this one and this one, Windows process activation. Both should be selected and place OK. Okay, when you made a OK, you will get a folder in a on this path, c.interrupted, then root folder, and here you can paste your HTML file in the root folder for website. And for this utility, you have to go to start button and then press IIS. So it's the Internet Information System Manager. Just open it and pin to taskbar. So it will disappear. Here is the name of the pages, which can be it can host on a local port, right? So you will type a local host. It is hosting this one because there is no page in drive. Here is we do not have any pages here. So I just cut and paste this page here. Now click on localhost. You will see there is this record barcode is available on this page, right here, barcode, and obviously it is a installable also. Look at this, it is a installable also, so you can install it. So you can install it. Yeah, so it's installable. So basically it is on Google script, but I have embedded it into the iframe and made it as a installable. So that is what we have. Just click on this and install it. So I will tell you how to do this. Just go and click up here. This is a new version, and let me check the other one. Text. authorization required. Okay, go to this and deploy, right, advance, go to this place, allow. Now check this. It is a development board and it is a executive board. So this is what we have. This barcode does not have any. It is not a PW. It is a web. But if you want, then we can embed this URL into iframe and then put it into the PWA. So that is what we need. This is a barcode and this is installable too. Obviously, if you are publishing it, right? So this is obviously this is available on internet on all over the world, and this is a developer mode. So you can use this URL also, or you can make this URL into the iframe and then put it into the internet. So how to do that? So this is the code where we have put this URL. So it is a very simple code. It is a doc HTML. So I will tell you it is a very simple code. So let's make it again from this place. So first of all, what we need is we need to save it as a save it into the root folder. Remember, we have to save it into the root folder. There's it here, and now we have to place it in index.html or whatever you want. Okay, you can say PWA script.html. Look at this. Okay. So first of all, we will place a dot type. POC dot type HTML. Then put it in HTML. Then we can say head. We can say that's a body. That's all. Yeah. We do not forward slash this for instance. And this is what we have. Now first of all, we have to add some simple that one. That is so we have to make it as a bootstrap library. We have to make some. So download the bootstrap library from bootstrap studio. CSS. This is a JavaScript. Constant here. We have added a bootstrap library in commenting mode. Bootstrap. Now we need close it. Now we need some iframe Then sponsor, it is, I am adding this frame into this one. It is a class we are adding. Very simple. Top height is 0, bottom is 0, right is 0, width is 100%, and height is 100%, border is 100%. Save it. Now that's a this library should be in a style type. So that is on. That is on. Now we will make some changes. Then we will make an iframe into this one. This one. We need a container so that we can, because we have added a container here, bootstrap library. So a simple iframe type. So it is a iframe. Then class is responsive iframe source. Now we will have a source, different source for this one, and this is iframe. Now we have added iframe here. Then we will add a script. So remember, you have to add a script above the iframe, not below the iframe. Script. Now I will add a simple service worker code. It's if so, it is very easy. First of all, you have to check whether your navigator have iframe or not. So for that, just press F12 and press Ctrl L. So then check navigator. Have a service worker. Yes, we have. So first of all, we need to check whether service worker is available or not available on your browser. So it is simply code. So just paste it here. And now we have to check. Then we have to add some navigator code, navigator file to service worker. We need to register as a service worker. So there we go. So I will just copy and paste to this place. So remember, navigator or service console. So console, add catch. Statement. So this function will add as SW service worker JS file to the navigator. First of all, it will check whether whether the browser have a service worker or not. If service worker is available, then it will register the service worker JS file into the browser. Right? So service worker JSW file is available. So just close it. I will go to this one, and this is our service worker JS file, which contains a very simple code. This is service worker code. It will install self.add event listener installed. Then E is a event. Then wait until catch. We will make a key as a catch, open catch. Then this is image. Okay. Always remember, we have to add this one in an array. So this will add all the files available in a root folder, like SW, manifest, this one, everything. Okay, and this, and you have to add like this one. Okay, so you can anything you want, you can add as images. then you have a 512, 512. So 512.png. So like this way, you can add this one. Right. So for the time being, I am removing. It is an array. It is an array, right? So I just remove it for the time being. Save it and skip waiting. Self skip waiting is very important when you run server card. When it is installed, skip waiting is very important parameter, right? It will skip the waiting of service worker. So self add event is again the fetch. Fetch is E. E is all the events available. E is the request URL. So this is our swjs file, which can be placed, which must be placed in this along with this main file. It cannot be in the any folder. This file must be in with the main index file, right? So it is so very important point that service JS file must be placed with the SW main index file. Okay. So remember, just remove it. So this is my main file. Now you can run this localhost. You will not get. You will just get this because we do not have any. We do not add this file to our local host. So first of all, you just go back to our local host and click on this. Add, paste it here. Okay. Now localhost will available for hosting this file also. Just click on this and you will get the file is loaded, but nothing will display because we have registered the service worker. First of all, they can get this. We have registered service worker successfully, like this one. And what I am telling about the skip hosting is this one. Application captures this. Here we will have an option to skip that program. So it is very important to skip waiting. Okay. Now we have to add a source file in this file, right? So we have to create a source file for this. So we have to create a frame resources. First of all, we have to create a Google script web app, and for that you will have to go here and create this Google script. Very simple. Just create a Google script there. So web app. First of all, that function here. Should be a simple form. Very fast. And publish it. locally first. So first, only for myself. For the timing, I will tell you only for myself. And now we can use it. I will keep user as using this one. Okay, just deploy. Copy it. This is my iframe file. Paste it here. So then I click on the left. I will get this. But this is the nothing because I have not made any code here. So after I have to add some code here. Get function. We have to add something. Enable HTML services. Create template form. HTML file. Evaluate. Just my file. Then HTML lines 3. Just this thing will not change the URL. So I will just flash it. Select refuse to connect. Right? This is refuse to connect. So I have to go right here and add some code here. Like set iframe HTML set dot number one again then set sandbox now HTML services dot sandbox dot iframe. This is where you manage. Click on this and the same version you will do a new version and deploy. Then go to localhost and look at this. Here we go. This is an iframe because we have embedded this into a iframe. Right? Now we will add a service worker to this. Now I have added the service worker to this. So for that I have to add a link over here. Service worker link. So add manifest and service worker file. For that we have to add. We have created a service worker file here. I told you that this is my service worker file. Now remember this file must be in place in this root folder along with the main file. Do not put this SW file into the any folder. Manifest file and SW file must be placed along with the main file, and this is my manifest file. Manifest file will have a PWA name, short name, start URL. Start URL must be dot. Background color, any color you want, you can change the color. Okay, theme color, you can change this theme color. Display standalone must be, that means it is a installable. Then you can use icons. Icons must be in a array. This is the starting array, first array. Then object, source of images, this one. We have placed the images, all images in this place. So you will have cut and paste here. All the images is here. And remember, it must be in the PNG file or 192.512. The standard size of images. The standard size of images. You have to add images here. The size of image is 192 by 192. Type of is this one. Another image is 512, 512. And you can use this image to reduce it. 512. Just open it and press in a paint and press Ctrl W, and now you can choose whatever, like if you want you can reduce it like this one. You can press Ctrl W, then you can use this one. So whatever the size you want, you can choose from the press by Ctrl W, and you can change it. So standard size is 192 and 512, so you can use it 512. This is service, and remember this service main manifest file must be saved as a JSON and save into the root folder. Okay. So remember, this file must be saved in manifest file as a JSON file. This extension must be JSON. Right. Now come to the root folder. Now I have to link this manifest file as SW file into this one. For that, you have to go back and get the link. This is the link. Now we have added the manifest JSON file and icon file is here as well. So remember, now save it. Now you will see there is an installable button is here. When you add the manifest file, once you add the manifest file, it will automatically show the installable icon for PWA. Okay. This is the PWA. It's installable. Now this file is completed. The work of this file is completed, but we have to the changes we can make in this file. And this file is on here. Now we will add the HTML code. Automatically it will change it here. Right. So first of all, we have added this one. We don't need bootstrap anymore. Go to this place. And now I am adding HTML code here. This place to this place. I'm moving it. I'm adding this one. So what I have added, we have added some classes, bootstrap classes. So first of all, we have to add a bootstrap link over here also. So for that we need bootstrap. So go to a row and one you need this one. This one. Let's add this bootstrap here. This one. And now you have to add a script of bootstrap. This one. Rest we don't need anything. First of all, I will add some text deployment so that I don't need to publish it again. So I just copy it and go to my main file and paste it. Developer, save it. Now posting it, you will get this. You need an access. You are signing as a this one. You need an access, right? It is an iframe. Drive you will refuse to connect. Okay. Okay. First of all, yes. Next, changing it to me anyone deploy. I go to text. We go to text. Copy it, paste it here in iframe. Shit. Text. Copy this place. This place. For the timing, I'm just so that can be visible. That's it. Let's see. So still disconnected. No issue. You can check it with the next problem. Here we have record barcode. So I have made an H1 package record barcode. This is a line for this model, and then we have added controls like this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is not the tutorial for the making a barcode. So I'm just fasting it the process. So now we have added this one. Now I will add this function to generate a barcode. For that we need to have some here script tag. Script tag. So this one. Now we have to add this function in my barcode. First of all, we have to add function and this one. Now we have to capture all the values from these places. For that we have to add this one. This will capture all the values from this input box, right? And I will pass this into barcode. Now we have to check whether all this filled up serial number is there or not there. So we will check the serial number. If statement okay. Now let's do this again. If it is okay, then we found the JS barcode library to add it. So JS barcode library is here. This one. And adding this one. Add it. So this is JS barcode library. This is JS PDF library. This one bootstrap library. Bootstrap library. Okay. So we have added one by one. So this is added. All three is there. Now come back to this place. Now add the further codes. First of all, we need to capture the barcode, paste it on layers. So add it here. The barcode. So we have a barcode here. It is a SVG tag is there, which have an ID barcode, and we have captured this barcode like this and pasted here. It is an inline function. Now, once it is generated, come back to this place. Now, we have to create a Canva. So first of all, we need to create a Canva and capture the SVG tag. We have to create a canvas and capture this barcode. You can write it the same thing here also. There is no issue. Basically, it is a simple code. Right. You may not get element by ID. It is a very simple code. Just right click on this one. Yes. This here. Click here. Document dot get element by ID. And yes, the ID is here. Whatever the ID you have used. Value, right? But there you don't have any value, then you will not have result. And we will have this. So we are middle of these things. And now for the code we have to measure the size of the images, barcode image. Right. For the time being, I am just copying and pasting everything is there. So after this process, I will just paste it here. And here is image load. Right. Let's say we have it and not have it. Record image. Record image here. And for that, we have to generate a record image. Go to this place. Place HTML dot. For that we have a function here. Function. And this is my URL. Look at this. This is the company logo. We are getting this logo from this place, now converting into the base64 string, then base64 string, and we are passing back to the base64 string. This is image, and this will come to this one. It will convert the image URL to base64 URL, and then it will create a base64 URL. Okay, and then base64 URL will be going back to this place, and this will be embedded into the HTML code. Is where is this HTML code? We do not have it, so we have to create it. Look at this. This one. Go back to the HTML code and paste it here. Upside. About this record barcode. About this record barcode. We have it. Now we have passed the variable. We have passed this logo base 64. Line 21. What is this? Still there is 21. Here 21. Okay, this one. Let's let go. So we have to paste this URL logo above the record barcode. So we have copy and paste it here. Right. And this is simply a variable that will be passed from this place. This one. This one. This is the HTML. The first of all, we have created the HTML file and we embed into the template, and then HTML variable will contain the variable, and this will generate. They will call this function, and it will generate the base64 string, and base64 will come to this variable, and this variable comes to the place. So this is a scriptlet tag. So remember, just open the scriptlet tag. Right, and this we will decide the size of image 157 style. Everything is there. We have set the size of this one. Save it. Now just go back to this place. Authorization required. Obviously, we have to authorize this one. Now we are done it. Once and save. Go back, allow. Now this is authorized. This is the base64 string. This is the base64 string which is generated from this URL using this code. Okay, this code will generate the base64 string by bypassing the force policy. So lines log string is not defined. Image 21. So go back. Yes, of course. We have actually we will have this place only. So we have to cut. We have to cut this thing and then evaluate it here. Right. Now save it. Now. And I will get this nice barcode over here. Right. So remember, first you will add the pages, then save the variable in it, and the variable, this is a base64 string containing this file will pass this function, and this is the main logo URL, and we will convert it into the base64. So base64 will come to this place and come to this place base64. This must go into the HTML and commenting. Save it here. So this src is a base64 string, right? Now this is a base64 string. Get this. Inspect. This URL have a base64 string. This is, look at this. This is a base64 string, right? This is a base64 string. So we will use the same base64 string here. We capture a base64 string. Yeah, look at this. We capture the record logo, and we capture this base64 string. Base64 string, and we will pass this base64 into this image. Now it is okay for this, and let's do this. Whether it is generating or not generating, let me check. So that 6, just give me whatever you want, whatever you want, quantity, whatever you want, just paste. Look at this. This barcode is generated perfectly, and this is the PDF file, obviously. Right? Right? It's a very nice barcode. So this is a sample code of barcode. Now I will paste this barcode file. Look at this. I have added a sample line. Now my agenda is to, this is a developer. Now my agenda is to embed this file into the image. Or what? Leave it. New version. Deploy. I have forget to, let's new development. Description. This is a file, and user who accessing, he has, if I select this one, the user need not to log in on their Google page. If I select this one, then user will have to log in on to their Gmail account first, then we will use anyone deploy. Copy this. This is my here. This is simple code, simple HTML code. Look at this. This is a bootstrap library. And this is manifest. This is come, and everything is completed. And my barcode generator is in this iframe. Now this is an installable iframe. Look at this. Yes. Just minimize it. And this is my localhost file. Close it. We don't need this. I have placed this file into this. Look at this. This is using a local host. Now it is a installable. Okay. Size is very difficult, so we will change it accordingly. So it's a date, 6 table, serial number, whatever you want, word code, whatever you want, quantity 300, this 9, 24, maximum size of this one, and you place this generate and to go to this place now. It's a nice, and you can save it to their account also. Save it, and go back to download, and this is our barcode. Nice barcode. This barcode is generated by the PDF library. So this is our is bigger. So first of all, we have to change the size because it's very kind of this page. Let me check the margin from left right class is there or not. Input text and then click. So let me bootstrap left right margin class. Margin outside. Let's say this one outside. This is not much. So let's see. No, it's not working. So we have to change. Bootstrap. Top margin, left and right. Transfer center. X and left. How to use it? Check. Control plus enter. Margin top, margin left. Must be this. Which one? And this class. Yes. Yes. Nothing. So that is technology. That's what it goes on. Okay, leave it. If it is not available, then leave it. From control. Then places style tags here. Style. Now it's working. So margin, left right margin must be here, and top bottom margin will be done. That's it. Now it's working fine. Now I will check. Now I will go again. Manage. I want the same URL. For the same URL, you have to go to manage, select the final, and go to edit mode, select new version, and it will save all the things on the same URL. Otherwise, it will change the URL. Right? Then change it. Now it's updated. Now press F5. Yeah. Now it's working nice. It's working nice. Look at this. Right. So it is installable on. Now it is working on a local host. Presently it is on a local host. Now I want this on the my over the internet. So first of all I have to close this one. Go to ISS, enter information system, go to start host button and press IISS. Okay. You can enable it from the control panel. Go to control panel and I will tell you go to features and turn on this one and you will get this, and here is a internet. Click on enable it and enable it. This will enable the ISS. Just go ISS and you will on this one. This is the browsing directory and this will create a C drive. Go to C drive, go to this place. This is a root folder and you will place all the file here so that it can be placed on the over the internet. Now this is my local. Now I will, for time being I will close it. Now this web application is working on the local host right now. I want to place it all over the internet. For that I have to download. Ngrok. Yes, of course. You can go. First of all, you have to go to ISS and check the port. Which port is open? Go to this one. Click it here. Go to different side. Right click on this edit binding, and you will see the code. You can change the code port number is also, or you can leave it and 80 is also. There is no problem. And now you will stop it. Stop this local server. When you stop this local server, it will not work. Look at this. It's working. When you start this one, again we start. Right. So you have the file name is here. The file name of root folder. This one. Now I will change. Go to Ngrok. You have to download Ngrok from the Ngrok website, or just double click on this Ngrok. If you want Ngrok, you can just go and type Ngrok. After this, and just click on this download button. This is Ngrok. You have to sign up first. You have to sign up first. So you have to sign up. Ngrok. You can sign up via Google. Once you sign up, you will get this one. Ngrok. Sign up. Once you sign up, so I'm already signed up on this one. Go to this place, sign it up. Setup and installation, just click on this place. It will come to your name will be appear here, and the setup and installation, go to Windows, select the Windows, and you come to the some Windows. Right now, first of all, you need to download this one, this 64. So just click over here and it will start downloading and zero. Okay, let it download completely. Now it's downloading. The download is completed. Right click on this one. Okay, then extract here as a zip. Zero file is here. Double click on this and zero, and you will get this one. Okay, now first of all you have to register your key. So for the time being I'm pausing it for the key. This is the key. I will click on this, copy it, paste it here and update it. Now the authentication is completed now, right? I will deactivate this, so this key will not work again and again. So now I have finished my work over here. So just close it, and zero is completed. So what I am telling is I have to create a website. So this is closed. Now this is my ISS. It is port HTTP port at 80. So you have to write ng-rock. Now look at this. This is the example over here. I should just copy and paste it here. And just press enter. It will give you a site URL. This one. Now copy it. Leave it as it is. You must not close this. Just open it. Okay. Just open. You can close this one. Now close. Now paste this URL to this place, and this will come to the visit site. And I have got this. Okay. I have got this. Now it is over the internet. Okay. And you will see this. Then you have to close this. Control C. Press Control C. You will close it. Or you can close it directly. No issue. If you want to publish it via Cloudflare, then you have to go to terminal, open the CMD, or you can open the CMD, then type cloudflare -url, then wait a minute. You have to type this one. This one. But if prior to that, you have to check what is your IP address. Okay, so it is an IP config. That's find host IP, and here is your IP. This IP should be saved. Now when this is a port 80, so you have to change. Then you can change. In my earlier video, I have told you how to install Cloudflare. It is very simple. Just open the CMD command, click on this, and type this one. This will install the Cloudflare. Once it is installed, you can use this command also. So this is my URL from the Cloudflare. Copy it, paste here, enter, and I have getting all of these. My applications. My application is this one. This is my application. So I have to check. It's a bad gateway. Why? It is not bad gateway. HTTP. I think I have probably mentioned. C, go to CMD again and paste it here. What is my IP? Check. IP config find IP is 192.168. Okay, made some mistakes. I'm not sure wrong. So this one should be 80 and this should be 111. Okay. Now generate the code here. Copy it. I have changed the default mode to 64 65 and save it. 65 and save it. And close it. Now I have changed the port number 65 and close this as is. I have downloaded this Servo master. Servo master. You just simply go to Servo master. Go and download this file, this one, zip file. Okay, let's go and download this file, this file. Now unzip this one, and you will get the Servo master. So, once you got this, just go to Servo exe. Just double click on this one. And you got this window. Now you have to choose because you have made some HTTP port. It is on HTTP. So type here is HTTP. Now port number is 6565. Now port number is 6565. Enter. This is a request from random port. Just press 0. Enter. Just close this one. Access, and you will get this URL. Just copy this URL, paste into this browser, and this is online. This is online. So this is online, and it is installable also. So once you have to uninstall this one. Now let me install this one. Now we have to install this one. Go to install and this one. All the folders, all the things. Close. And this installed it. Now it is on internet. I have fun about it. So it is on internet. So you can say whatever you want. Cat 6 table. So This is what we have changed to save as PDF. So we will do so it is an installable software which can be used by ISS. Right. The folder have C drive extracted folder. This file. This file is projected via ISS. This one. I will click on this. You can add any file name over here. Sorry. If I remove this file, this utility will not work. Look at this. This utility will not work. I have to add the file name in the ISIS. So my file name is this one. Save it. It. Now it will be again start the table. Press F5. Just currently I'm able to handle this request. If I give it to, so you have to go back. You have to go back and again start server. Let's see. Now HTTP port is there. Port number is 6565. So HTTP port number is 6565. Press 0. It will generate Let's do it here. Installable. I will click on this and this installation is here. Install it. Remove the code. Asking for password. Click on this. Just drop it down. And just click on here. It will install it. It is on online software. Anybody can use it. Cable. Right, so it's a nice software. So that's all from my end. Okay. That's all from my end. But before that, I will tell you one Excel trick. I'll just try that. Let's close it. Let's Control C. Close it. It's a nice software. There is also available. ISIS